A 5.3 magnitude earthquake struck near 157 kilometers WSW of Houma, Tonga today on March 7, 2026 at 1936 local time, or on March 8, 2026 at 7:18 Coordinated Universal Time. As reported by the USGS on its website, the earthquake was located at an intermediate depth of 200.0 kilometers below the surface, at coordinates latitude -21.8623 and longitude -176.6279. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. The recommended course of action is to be vigilant for possible aftershocks that may occur. Let us pray that this earthquake will not have a major impact on our brothers and sisters there, and that there will be no more earthquakes. Amen.